CBX 1.7 CNC motion control box. This complete control box is ideal for small mills and desktop routers similar to a 4030 or a 6040 router. In the front panel we can find the power on-off switch and the e-stop or twist release emergency stop. In the back panel we can find a cooling fan, an RJ45 limit switch connection for mechanical or proximity switches with pinout for X, Y, and Z in the panel, GX16 connectors for up to 4 stepper motor axes, a 110-220 AC input power connection, a DB25 parallel port PC connection, a 110-220 AC output spindle connector that can also be used for coolant or vacuum connection, and a 3.5 jack probe connection. We will be using a UC100 to easy connect a small laptop and test the controller using a wood router. We could also connect a Dremel. First, we will test probe and proximity limit switches. Now, let's check moving a 276 and a 110 ounce per inch stepper motor and the wood router. Let's run a quick G-code test. Oops, router is running. This is why we have e-stops. Finally, let's see how it works with a real machine. We will be using a CBX 0.8 Spindle speed control for this test. First, let's check how the speed control works. Now let's load the G-code. Set tool 0 using probe plate. Auto tool 0 will prompt to confirm height of tool plate. Now, let's just hit play and let the controller do the work. for watching. Don't forget to check our videos and tutorials in our website and YouTube channel.